9 Severe Weather Update.
Well, today is an impact day. That means there's a higher chance the weather will impact your normal routine. In this case, it's in the form of showers and thunderstorms that we're tracking on WVTM 13 Live Doppler like right now. But we also have some alert days in place for Sunday and Monday, and that's because the weather could be life-threatening at times. But let's start with what's going on right now. There's the WVTM 13 Live Doppler in Vance, and it's picking up on some showers, thunderstorms, and downpours moving across Sumter, Greene, Hale, Pickens, and Tuscaloosa County now. Most of those heavy downpours right over Demopolis, entering Hale County as we speak. So if you're along Highway 43, Highway 80 near Arcola and Demopolis and Belmont and Forkland, you're seeing some downpours currently, but let's work our way north, seeing a few lightning strikes here and there. Bowles G seeing some rain. If you're driving around I-20, take it nice and slow. Utah seeing some rain. Akron seeing some heavy downpours. Knoxville, Union, Lewiston, down towards Vienna, Aliceville, Memphis, Pickensville, Carrollton, and then it sort of stops right here along the interstate right there through Tuscaloosa. But as we work our way towards Samantha, we're seeing some showers, Newtonville, Moores Bridge, all the way up to Millport, and more rain moving through Fayette County, coming out of Fayette, Hupperville, Oakman, all seeing some downpours too. Just a lot of rain right now that the WVTM 13 Live Doppler is picking up on. But if you zoom out to get a bigger picture, most of it is west of Alabama and even down into the Gulf. But that's all going to surge and push north and eastward as we progress through the rest of this evening, some of which containing some heavy downpours and thunderstorms. This is 10 p.m. Saturday. That's when we could see some showers and heavy downpours over Jefferson, Shelby County, moving into St. Clair County, pushing northeastward. This is 5 a.m. Sunday morning. Waking up, you might hear some rain outside. It'll be for some good sleep. But by 9 a.m., some of these showers could get heavier, and they could have some thunderstorms within them too. So make sure you have a rain jacket and umbrella on your way out the door tomorrow. The earliest rain clears out tomorrow will be 2 p.m. However, it could linger into 5, 6 o'clock around dinner time. So don't keep your guard down, because the rain could last a lot longer than what this particular model is anticipating. But this is Sunday and Monday. This is when we have those alert days in place, and that's due to the potential for some severe weather too. We have a level 3 of 5 on the scale for northwest Alabama. This includes Coleman, Walker, Fayette County, Pickens, Lamar, Marion, and Winston counties. And that's where we have the highest chance of seeing severe weather. That chance drops off little by little as we move southeast. Everybody has a chance of seeing some severe weather. It's just who has the highest potential. In this case, it's northwest Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee, and much of the Mississippi Valley. And then moving into tomorrow, into the late morning and early afternoon, there's a level 2 risk in place. That's a scattered risk, not nearly as bad as what we'll see overnight, but something to keep an eye out on. So what's all on the table? Large hail, damaging wind gusts, 60 miles per hour or more. We also have a flooding threat for some localized area that are prone to it, but there's also a low-end tornado threat. So we'll be tracking that all night, keeping you guys up to date in case anything were to happen. This is midnight Monday. That's when northwest Alabama starts to see their fair share of showers and strong to severe thunderstorms. You'll see this line really start to develop, and by 3 a.m., some of this could be crossing Coleman, Walker, Fayette County, through Tuscaloosa counties too, crossing the Birmingham Metro, Shelby County, and Bibb and Chilton County through 5 a.m. But we'll have to watch out for some of these thunderstorms as some of this heaviest downpours within the main wave could contain some strong wind gusts, the damaging winds, and the hail threat too, and if not, the tornado threat as well. So this is something we'll just have to keep an eye out on. This is 8 a.m. Monday, and now we're moving to 10 a.m. Monday, and this system is out of here. By 3 p.m., we should be mostly dry. One quick look at the timeline, 2 a.m. to 7 a.m. for northwest Alabama, Pickens, Lamar, Marion, Walker, Fayette County, that's you guys. 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. for Jefferson, Shelby, St. Clair, Blount, Etowah, down towards Tuscaloosa, Greene, Hale counties, and then 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. for southeast Alabama, Tallapoosa, Coosa, Clay, Talladega, that's you guys. And we could see anywhere between a ½ inch to 2 inches in the first round of rain moving through tomorrow, and then through Monday, we could see upwards to 2, if not 3 inches of rain. Here's your 7-day forecast. Highs over the weekend in the mid-70s. We could see some sunshine as we move into Sunday evening, but the sun will set eventually, and those storms roll in overnight into Monday morning with a slight chance of some summer-like thunderstorms Wednesday through Friday of next week. Julia?